is up, little chicken dippers. We've got some great news. Both Fiesta flip cars have gone. The black one got picked up by its owner this week, and also the silver one, the recent one, got picked up and sold as well the other day. So we're going to go through all that sort of stuff in this video of how much profit we made. This video is going to be some sort of like video to show you how we find some new cars, how we find some new flips. We will probably be showing you some recordings on our phones and such like that of where we look for the cars, how we get the bargains, how we diagnose it, the things we check before we get a flip car. I think that'd be great for you guys to see. Now we may show you at the end of this video the flip car that we're going to get. So we will have another flip car by the end of this. So as we promised, the last video on the flip car, we said that we was going to get it done in 2 videos. We kept that promise. We got it finished in 2 videos. We actually got that finished in 6 hours. We recorded them back to back. So hence the name of Can You Make Profit in 24 Hours. We did record it under 6, so we did flip that car basically in under 6 hours. We may do some more challenges like that. If you guys want to see some more challenges, make sure you're commenting down below. Make sure you got your notification icons on. Make sure you got that subscribe button hit, and these will be very, very regular, these flip videos from now on. So let's first wait for Jack because he's late as per usual, and we will get straight into it, guys. And I best put my glasses back on so I can actually read this for you. Now, oh, hello. So now, we sold the car for £480. We spent £260, 8 pence on the car and the repairs itself, which gave us a profit as £219, 92 pence, which isn't too bad really for a flip car. So now this has entitled us to have a £480 pocket, basically, we'll say. So now we can buy a car that is a bit more priced and fix it and hopefully bring our balance up to whatever. Again, this will help us progress to better cars. So without further ado, £219.92 profit made on the last car. Let's get looking for the next flip project. So the first thing we like to check is Facebook Marketplace. Now I don't really use Facebook. I know some of you guys have added me on Facebook. I do accept the friends request when I go on it, but I don't really use it. I use mainly Instagram. So what we've put in here is we've just put cars in the search. Obviously this is where we are located, Sutton in Ashfield, if you guys didn't know. So we're putting cars around 10 kilometers. Let's do a little bit more, so we'll do 15. Now we've put this in, this will come up with a lot of cars, and beer. But we need to retype in cars at the top, so bear with me. I'm hoping you guys can see this. So here we go. 2008 Vauxhall Corsa, £800. 2004 Ford Fiesta, £500. We did originally look at a Hyundai Coupe as a flip car, but when we did go and see it, it was an absolute shed. What you are looking for here is you're looking for a car that is a reasonable price of your budget. You have to bear in mind that you are wanting to use some of your profit, so to speak, to fix the car. You don't want to be eating into your own money because you don't know how long the car is going to be sat outside before it sells. So if we go through here, we've got a Honda Civic right there. Let me just flip it around for you guys to see. So here we go, we've got an Honda Civic. It is £300. I'm not sure what that says, but I'm guessing it's something to do with the lambda sensor. Nottingham. So it's an 04 plate, 2 litre. So again, that is a possibility. If they would accept maybe less, that is a possibility for us to go and fetch, but we'll see. I'm not going to show you on camera what we're going to go for, because obviously that's going to be a secret, but I'm just showing you a little process of this happening. So here we've got another Fiesta. These seem to be going for really, really cheap. So you've got another 05 plate, Fiesta ST Rep, it says. MOT until October. Not bad condition, in and out, needs passenger side drive shaft, so it will need to be towed. Car runs well. So here we go, we've got like a few bits again with the ST interior. So £275 isn't so bad, but again, I think we're going to try and look for something other than a Fiesta, but again, you never know what comes up, bargains, for example. So here we've got a Renault Clio, £200, again 54 plate, 1.5 diesel, manual, fair condition, sold as spares or repairs due to injector issue. So that has an injector issue, which could be a massive problem, so we'll leave that. Once you've got that sorted, for example, you may have other issues, so that's why it's best to leave it. So what I'm going to do now is go through some of these. Jack will be doing the same as well. We use Facebook Marketplace, Facebook groups, Gumtree, all that sort of stuff where they would sell cars, even eBay. We are looking at attending auctions some point in the future to get wrecked cars, but we're going to be doing wrecked cars like Fiesta STs, Corsa VXRs and all that sort of malarkey when we get a bigger budget. So that is on the agenda. So if you are interested in seeing that, make sure you're smashing that like button and subscribing. So without further ado, we're going to go and look at some cars right now, and yeah, we'll keep you updated. So it is a different day from when we was looking at the flip cars. Now we're in Curtis's car. Yes, I am in the back. We've got lots of parcels in here as well. We've got to go back to the unit because Jack's forgot the Game Boy. So we've got to plug that in and see obviously what's wrong with it. We have found a car, so we are going to go ahead and... What? Nothing like her. Nothing. But we're going to go there now to the unit and get the Game Boy, like I said, and then we're going to go back and see this car. We're not probably going to tell you exactly what it is straight away. You'll probably see us driving there and doing all the bits and bobs, and then we'll get back to you very soon.
It's a GTR.
It's what?
What?
It's what?
GTR.
Which GTR?
34. Yep.
You sure?
Yep.
Yep. So yeah, we'll get back to you in a second when we obviously have been there and looked at the car itself. We're going to see what's wrong with it, so see you guys soon. So we're here at the location. This man's got quite a few goats, so Curtis has just...
Curtis is aroused by them.
He's playing with goats, shall we say. So we're here at this location, and it looks like we have found a flip car. We are going to go ahead with it. It's in pretty good condition for what it is. 96,000 miles. It is a 2000 plate, so 96,000 miles on a 19-year-old car is pretty damn good. We're not going to tell you exactly what it is. We're going to save that, but you'll probably see some little bits of us taking it back to the unit and all that sort of stuff, but you'll be seeing us again doing this flip car. I think the next video we're going to do a little challenge. We're going to try and finish this off in one video, I think. See if we can flip the car in so many hours, see if we can make some profit in so many hours. I think that'll be pretty good for you guys to see. So without further ado, Curtis is going to stop playing with the goats and he's going to go and pay the man, and then we're going to get it back to the unit. So yeah, see you guys soon.
Do we go for it?
Right, ignore the stone guys, but we're in the flip car. Oh, that was not a stone either, that was the monster can. But we stuck behind some council workers, I think. But yeah, the flip car is all good. We're going to head now back to the unit, as we said. You could probably guess what car this is, but we're not going to give you a full view of it. You can just see out the front window and the people walking towards us, like this lady right here. So we're going to head back to the unit now, and we'll speak to you when we get back. But again, like I said, we're going to try and do this as like a little challenge, I think, which is going to be fun. Jack, I can't even turn the camera to you. I can't do it. So we've made it back to the unit. Curtis has just been an absolute drip. Yeah. So we made it back in one piece. The flip car is the other side of this shutter. So we finally got one, and it did take a little bit of time, but we got there in the end. So for those of you that are new to the flipping series, we're basically going to just give you a little insight to this now. So what we do is we buy the cars for as cheap as possible as we can. Jack. We then try and obviously fix them the best we can as well, and then we try and move them on for a profit. Now this is all, again, for your guys' entertainment as well. With the profit, you might be thinking, what do we do with that? Well, we don't put it in our own pockets. What happens is it all goes in a pot, and then at the end of it, for example, the budget of the cars increases. So as we're making profit, the cars will increase as well. The better the cars will obviously go up the line. Now we're doing the lowish end cars, shall we say, but these are actually perfect for doing flips on, to be fair. But in time we will be moving up the ladder. Again, you guys don't know what this flip car is yet, but you will find that out in the next episode of this. We are going to get it finished as well in one episode. Again, we don't go back on promises, so that video may be 20 minutes long, it may be 5 minutes long,
depending what faults we find with this car. There shouldn't be that many. It's pretty clean for its age, really, really clean for its age, and it's not got that many miles on it either. So, as I said, we're going to quickly just go through all that stuff now. We're going to actually record it right now, but you guys won't see it till later on. So, if you're liking this series, make sure you're hitting that subscribe button, make sure you're liking, commenting, and obviously letting us know on your insight below as well. Again, these cars will be for sale. If it's not sold before you guys see the video, then obviously you guys can actually buy the car if it's still there. But again, we're trying to make it so we can make profit in 24 hours. I think that's going to be the next video. So the last video of the flip car, we did put, can you make profit in 24 hours? And some people says, well, you didn't really do it in 24 hours. Well, we actually did. We did each episode one after the other. We actually managed to do it in 6 hours. So it was kind of like, just because it was a few weeks apart on the videos didn't mean that we didn't record it in one like lump sum, which we always do with these as well. Like with the VXR being built, that's all been done, but we just split it up for you. So we're going to go and start looking over this car, and we'll see you guys in the next flipping episode where you will see the car revealed, and obviously Seal sell it as well. So peace, guys.